Guys, and welcome back to my reaction and review video. And today it's going to be the Manchester United versus Everton match, which was the FA Cup semi-final. So let's begin. Now, both Manchester United and Everton are not having very good seasons. Are not having a very good season because Manchester United are lying down, I think, in the 5th or 6th place, fighting for the Champions League spot, and Everton's season has been almost ruined by the 4-0 loss at Anfield, which was the Merseyside derby, and they are down at 11th place with 41 points. So this was a crucial match for both the teams because Roberto Martinez had to make sure that he made it through to the FA Cup semi-final, and the same thing was applicable to Louis van Gaal also, because he also desperately wanted to play the FA Cup final. So let's get started. The first attack of the match fell to Everton as it was a long ball from the back towards Romelu Lukaku, who received and controlled the ball very well, and on his way towards the goal he beat Fosu Mensah, and he also was able to beat David De Gea. And the last thing that he had to do was bury the ball at the back of the net, which he was not able to do as Manchester United captain, the great Wayne Rooney, blocked the ball and denied Romelu Lukaku as well as Everton the 1-0 lead. Then the second attack again fell to Everton as it was Tom Cleverley in the middle who passed the ball towards Romelu Lukaku, playing him through to the goal. Lukaku shot, but his shot was blocked by David De Gea, and again that chance was over. The second attack fell to, then the first attack for Manchester United came as it was Wayne Rooney who found Jesse Lingard in the middle. Jesse Lingard passed the ball towards Anthony Martial, who shot, but he missed as the ball went over the bar. Then again the chance fell to Manchester United. It was a great 1-2 between Marcus Rashford and Anthony Martial, as first Martial passed it towards Rashford, then Rashford sent through Martial on the left hand side of the pitch. Martial whipped in a great pass towards Marouane Fellaini, who buried the ball and the chance at the back of the net, and it was 1-0 to Manchester United. And most importantly, Marouane Fellaini had scored against his former club, and that was 1-0. Then again, I think at the halftime break, it was 1-0 to United. Then the second half started. The second half started with a great incident. It was an epic incident in the whole course of the match, as it was an Everton attack. Lukaku passed it towards Ross Barkley. Lukaku passed the ball towards Ross Barkley. Ross Barkley found Aaron Lennon on the right hand side. Aaron Lennon again passed the ball towards Ross Barkley, and Ross Barkley was tackled by Fosu Mensah, who thought that he clearly got the ball, but no, the referee awarded a penalty. Now it was Romelu Lukaku who had to step up and take the penalty, and it was a great chance for Everton to make it 1-1 just after the half time. But no, David De Gea had other plans for Everton, as Romelu Lukaku took a great penalty. It was on the bottom left corner, but David De Gea showed great reflexes by saving the penalty. Everton were denied, but still after saving the penalty, the ball came out to Leighton Baines, who passed it in the middle towards Ross Barkley, who was again taken out. Then the referee awarded a free kick. Again Ross Barkley stood up to take the free kick. He shot. It was a good shot, but again David De Gea came to Manchester United's rescue, and still it was 1-0. Then the chance fell to Everton, and this chance was somewhat unlucky for Manchester United, as it was John Stones at the edge of the box who passed it towards Aaron Lennon on the right hand side, who again passed it towards Cleverley. It was a great cross for Cleverley, but he missed. I'm sorry, this was not the unlucky moment for Manchester United. It will be a while after. Then again the chance fell to, I think it was Manchester United. It was Anthony Martial who passed it towards Marcus Rashford, who again passed it towards Anthony Martial. It was a 1-2 between them, who passed it towards Fellaini, it was a great chance for Manchester United, but Fellaini missed the shot at first time. The ball again came out to him. He again shot, but it was again saved by Joel Robles, and while seeing the replay, it was actually a handball by Phil Jagielka, which was not seen or which was ignored by the referee, and it was still 1-0. And then the horrific moment for Manchester United came, as it was Cleverley who passed it towards Romelu Lukaku. Lukaku passed it on the right hand side towards Gerard Deulofeu. Now Deulofeu tried to find Lukaku in the center of the D box, but instead center of the D box, and he whipped in the cross. Instead of Lukaku scoring it, Chris Smalling, trying to block the cross, ended up hitting it in his own goal. It was 1-1. Everton fans went crazy, Roberto Martinez went crazy. It was 1-1, and all of them thought at that moment that it was going to be extra time, and most of them thought that it was going to be penalties. But no, Manchester United's luck again turned. At this moment, they had a bad luck as Chris Smalling scored an own goal, but their luck again turned. But their luck again turned. Then it was Wayne Rooney who passed the ball towards Anthony Martial. Anthony Martial looked for Marcus Rashford, who again whipped in a back pass towards Anthony Martial. Anthony Martial then found Ander Herrera in the middle of the pitch, who somehow slipped but still managed to send through Anthony Martial towards goal. And then Anthony Martial scored in the dying minutes, in the dying seconds of the match, and it was 2-1 to Manchester United. The fans went ecstatic, the fans were out of control, and Everton were distraught. Playing so well in the entire course of the match, and at the end, at the last seconds of the game, Anthony Martial scored, sending Manchester United through to the FA Cup final. So that was the end of the game, and Manchester United won it 2-1. And it was a great day for Louis van Gaal as well as for Manchester United, as they're not having a great season in the BPL, but still they reached the FA Cup final, which they will be playing, I think, with Crystal Palace. And I hope that both best team of the two teams would win. But Everton, what to do with them? Roberto Martinez again had a very bad day, as he lost the Merseyside derby 4-0. He had hoped that he would get through to the FA Cup final, but no. He again lost the FA Cup semi-final against Manchester United in a very odd fashion, because that Anthony Martial goal ruined any hope of Everton going through, because they would have survived the extra time, and penalties is all on luck. Anything can happen, any team can beat any team because it's penalties. But no, that wasn't the case. Manchester United reached the final, and let's hope for a great final, which is Crystal Palace versus Manchester United. So guys, that was my reaction and review on the Manchester United versus Everton game. That was the FA Cup semi-final. And please smash a thumbs up if you're enjoying my videos. More content will be coming out soon. Subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.